Today I'm going to show you how to make Archie's Doggy Cupcakes. So these are cupcakes that are dog friendly, so your furry friends can have them. This is version 2. I have done a previous video of doggy friendly cupcakes on the channel. They were a bit more stodgy though, so I've kind of improved on the recipe, and this is version 2. You will need 100 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 75 grams of carrots, 75 grams of apples, and 100 millilitres of water. Firstly, in a bowl you need to grate your carrot and your apples. Then add your egg and mix. Then add your water and mix. Then finally add the flour and mix until well combined. Then, having lined a cupcake tray with 6 cupcake cases, simply spoon the mixture into each of the cupcake cases and pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade, 170 fan assisted for about 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make Archie's doggy friendly cupcakes.